Okay, you guys can see I'm just waking up actually. You can see my face. I'm just waking up and I usually walk overnight. Then very early in the morning, around 5 a.m. or so, 4 5, that's when I sleep. So I'm just waking up. I've actually done some trades. Okay, so far I've made I did this trade. I think I did one before I slept or something. Okay, but I can show you today's zone alone. Let's look at today's trade. Okay, for today's trade, I have one, two, oh, I've done six. Oh, I actually wanted to record that last one, but I've already entered it. So I wanted to record one last one. So I've already made $5. In fact, I've already hit my target though. And I didn't know. My target was just $5. Okay. With $3.5. My target was $5. It was initially 3 or $4.4. So I thought I was waiting for one signal to enter and complete $5. I didn't know I've already made $5. Okay. That was my target for today. So I didn't know I've already hit that target. So let me go back to my. Okay, see this trade is still dangling and is about rounding up. So I'm not quite sure. I may win, I may lose. Okay, I'm likely gonna win it. All right. So I've done $5 already. So initially I've already made my withdrawal request. Okay, maybe I will just complete that. I've already made my withdrawal request. It's just for me to, you can see 12 o'clock. So it's almost 30 minutes since I hope it's still valid. If it's still valid, I'll get to know. Okay. Don't have to rush it. Slow, steady. If you don't overtrade, you don't overdo things, you will be profitable. You're not gonna be stressing yourself. Remember, guys, I've told you if you want to make withdrawals, kindly make use of payment agents. Okay, they seems to be the fastest. They are the fastest. So today I'm gonna be collecting 35. Okay, 35, 34. Okay, so I can continue and I can say okay, transfer. Can you see how fast Can you see how fast a payment agent is? But you see, if it was, let's say, crypto, let's say it was Litecoin or USDT, I want to withdraw, I will have to wait for binary to approve. Okay, I have to wait for them to approve. Okay, let me do this. I have to wait for them to approve. Okay, my withdrawals before I can get to withdraws. Okay, so now I'll go straight to my payment agent. Okay, I use BakarePay. I used to be an agent myself, but I'm no longer interested. I'm no longer interested in that. Used to be a long time. I cannot stress myself now. It's actually a good job anyway. If you're looking for, you can, but you need a minimum of, let's say, three. I think it's 5,000 now. Okay, you need a minimum of 5,000. Okay, so this is how me I cash out. I like collecting my money every day. I know the dollar, I know the wait. Okay, this was for yesterday. Okay, this was for yesterday and day before yesterday. Okay, so it's slow, steady, you grow. He always responds fast, so he's likely to respond very fast. Okay, he's likely to respond very, very fast. His responses are always very fast. I recommend, and even if you want big fonts, he can do that. And moreover, he's one of the top international approved uh, payment agents. He has multiple countries he's attending to. So I need you to understand that he's always very fast. Okay, back to this. I wanted to show you something. I think that's why I even wanted to do this. That's why I activated this. Okay, I need you to see all these are ends outside. Okay, all these trades, all these 6 trades are ends outside. Now, the reason why I trade the ends outside is because this ends outside you're looking at, okay, okay, let me do it like this. Let me use yellow. Okay, this ends outside, this trade you're looking at, all these trades you're looking at, they are all ends outside. And this ends outside has bigger, it gives me bigger returns. Okay, if goes outside, the same signal with goes outside will give me, let's say, let's say 8%, 8%, right? This one with the same breakdown, this one can give me 15 to 25%. Okay, you may be wondering 15 to 25%. How come? Okay, let's look at just one. Okay, so you get to understand. Okay, if it is goes outside, I would have won this trade here. Okay, around here, I would have won the trade. The trade will not even last up to 2 minutes. Okay, goes outside. Sometimes you don't have to wait till the whole 2 minutes to win the trade. Once it gets to this, once you get to the barrier you set, and the barrier is always like from here to here. So once it gets here, I've already won my trade. But you see, for ends outside, I'm saying the price is actually going to move outside this line and continue staying outside for the next 2 minutes. So even if he stay inside for the whole 1 minute something something, and at the end of 2 minutes he bust outside, I would have won the trade. Can you see that BakarePay has already responded? Okay, he has already responded to, meaning he has paid me. I've been paid. So how would I know that now? Can you see? Okay, money has landed. All right, so I've been credited. That's the money I just collected now. All right, 53,000. So it's slow and steady. You go dey grow am small 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 small. That's how it works. So slow and steady wins the race. It's not about rush rush. I know the competition with anybody. Okay, this is not demo account. You don't make withdrawals. You do not make withdrawal from demo account. So for some of you, you think it's demo. You do not make, okay, let me even teach you how to identify demo account. Demo account, their reference ID always ends with 8. Okay, real account ends with 1. And then they write real at the top. Can you see? This is real, real. Can you see? Real. This is my account. See, can you see it? This is demo. Are you getting? This is demo. Now let me show you one trade result from demo so that you understand. It is slow and steady. Can you see demo? Can you see it does 8? 8. Shall you see? You see demo 8. Reference ID 8. Can you see all the reference ID? It ends with 8. Then the one with real, can you see they put demo here, demo. So even if I do reduce this balance and then whatever, I reduce it and I start trading and start recording you. If you want to catch me, just check this, you see demo. Are you getting it? It's only when I'm practicing, a projection, that's when I reduce this guy to the amount that I need, exactly the amount that I need to practice what I want to actualize, if it's going to work or not, with real. So I'm doing this with real. So it's not wayo. So guys, anybody can do this. I always say this. You can also try and test out, play out with you try and play out with some of my playlists. Check Deriv accumulator and you'll be good. God bless you. I'll see you in another video.